Hi girls, so we're going to make a sliding door. I think the main component of sliding doors is that they have one panel at the back and one panel at the front, and showing that slightly open is probably the best thing that we'd like to do. So let's just make sure we lock the sliding door in place. Just going to make the frame here. So we are making 3D objects, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that because we're just making the outside here. I'm going to pull that out a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to make the back door of that first. So I think the main thing here is just to make sure that you're on the outside and not on the inside of this. You can see all we've made is the rectangle, we haven't pulled it back and made a door. So let's just pull that back again, go back to the front. Then what I want to do is pull the front, pull that a bit forward. Click, pull. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Now we want to do the sliding door on the front. So we've got a tiny bit of space in between there, which is what I wanted. So I'm going to chuck the front sliding door here. I was just checking that we maintained the front and the back image. So I think the thing that I want to do is just pull that forward there. Now we're going to make them all see-through, and if I've done this right, yeah, everything should look sliding doory. There we go. So we've got some sliding doors there. Since I'm here, I might as well go ahead and add some metallic colors to it. So I finish it off. And there we go, metallic sliding doors. Yeah,